Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make text reflection effect intro on InShot application. So guys, here I have already opened my InShot application on my phone, and let's just create a video project first. We can tap on the video, then tap on new, and we're going to select the blank clip. This one, tap on the blank clip, then tap on this checkmark button to import the blank clip to the InShot project. Okay, and we're going to add text to be our intro. We can tap on the text option, then tap on text button right here. And for example, I'm going to type intro. Okay, then we can also zoom in or zoom out like this. We can also animate the text. We can tap on the animation button right here, and I'm gonna go with this animation. Once you're done, you can click on this checkmark button. Okay, and now let's just save the video. We can tap on this checkmark button first, then click on the save button. Okay, and you have to wait until the process is completed. And after the video has been saved to our device, we can go back to the InShot draft or InShot project. Just tap on this button. Then we can tap on the PIP right here to import the video that we have just saved to our device. This is the video, so you have to tap on it. And now the video has been imported, and we're going to flip the video. So we can tap on this flip button to flip the video. And now we're going to rotate the video upside down like this. You can use both of your fingers to rotate it. And you can adjust the position. You can keep adjusting until you are satisfied with the looks. Okay. Alright, and I think it looks good enough. Then we're going to put mask to the clip. Just tap on the mask option. Then you can select this mask. Okay. Then we're going to rotate the mask, guys. And again, you can use your two fingers to rotate the mask. And just drag this line. You can drag it down. Then you're going to click on this button. Then you can drag it down like this until you get the reflection effect. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on this checkmark button. And now let's just take a look at the final result. I'm going to play the video. Okay, and this is the result, guys. And alright guys, that's how we can create text reflection effect intro on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.